Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, this is Louis the Savant, and today we're looking at the graph um, token, or also known as ticker name GRT. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up the vocab for the market cap. A volume in circulating supply. The current market cap is at 1.3 billion. The volume is at 611.5 million, and the current circulating supply of GRT is 1.2 billion. About graph, or about the graph GRT is an Ethereum token that powers the graph, a decentralized protocol for indexing query data from blockchains. Just as Google indexes the web, the graph indexes the blockchain data from networks like Ethereum and Filecoin. The data grouped into open APIs called subgraphs that anyone can query. So, for those who don't understand this,
Gathering and combining data to where people are allowed to see different correlations between whatever you decide to compare and or what type of data you gather. So for instance, how they use Google as an example for it indexes the web. Google is a search engine, so they pretty much have all the data, more or less, like not literally but on their servers, to where they're able to write certain codes to be able to get enough data from cookies. So if you end up liking shampoo a lot, or you're in the hair industry or whatever, Google has that data indexed from the web, and it's going to suggest you certain things um, upon based upon your profile, which they have data indexed from the web and from your IP address. Um, and the graph is just doing that, but the same thing, gathering information upon Ethereum and Filecoin to be able to get more statistical results for whatever a certain person that uses the graph's APIs. Um, that makes sense to me. APIs for a vibrant, decentralized future. The graph indexes protocol, querying networks like Ethereum and interplanetary something service system. Interplanetary file system. There we go. Anyone can build and publish APIs called subgraphs, making data easily accessible. Okay, so they're getting grants and philanthropies, social entertainment, governance, marketplaces, and DeFi that is being utilized within this platform. They have reliability, security, governance, interoperability, money agency. So it's clearly backed by something, indexers, curators, and delegators. All right, let's go with the introduction. We first introduced the graph in July 2018. We shared our vision with building a decentralized indexing protocol for Web3. The team has been hard at work, and today I'm excited to share the design of the first version of Graph and Detailed Network. The Graph Network is a core infrastructure of Web3, a necessary component for delivering decentralized applications with consumer-grade performance. For this post, I assume some prior familiarity with Graph. If you have never heard of Graph, a great place to start is our announcement post, our docs, several great posts from the community. The mission of the graph is to enable internet applications that are entirely powered by public infrastructure, which means we don't have to rely on the government or other sources of infrastructure, which makes our ecosystem or social ecosystem more centralized. Full stack decentralization will enable applications that are robust to business failures and rent seeking, and also facilitate an unprecedented level of interoperability. Users and developers will be able to know that software they invest time and money into can't suddenly disappear. To reach this version fully decentralized applications, it is critical that we shift from a paradigm of business paying for the ongoing storage, compute, and other services required to keep an application running towards users directly paying networks of decentralized service providers for granular usage of these resources. Today, most decentralized applications only adopt such a model in the bottom layer of the stack of the blockchain, where users pay for transactions that modify application state. The rest of the stack continues to be operated by centralized business, and it's subject to arbitrary failures and rent seeking. I believe I read this for you. So it's pretty much an API, and it helps us connect the dots to make it simple. And that was the white paper. So my personal opinion if we were to symbolize cryptocurrency in general in this day and age as a bridge, this is definitely a significant part of the bridge, just for the simple fact that it indexes blockchain data from networks like Ethereum and Filecoin. Though those are the only two that are mentioned, whether there be more coming or more that just isn't mentioned in this small little paragraph, they probably already have APIs from, whether it be synthetics, bands, really any of these, to be able to talk and communicate and be able to provide data at a faster source. So if cryptocurrency is equivalent to a bridge, this is definitely a significant part of the structure, and especially for our future. It's going off of the interplanetary file system, which is great, in my opinion. This is only the beginning stages, is what I'm saying. This is only the beginning stages. Currently, it's at $1. It's going to go up. I mean, it's a bull market this year. We'll see what happens. Today might be the day that China starts taking out most of the money because of their holiday, and come the 13th/14th, we'll see what happens. This has been a brief explanation for the graph, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hey everyone, this is Lewis the Savant. I'll also go by Rozzy Reviews or Rozzy the Zemi, because I'm going to be using this outro on multiple channels. So if you would like to support me, I'll probably put Cash App links and all that other shit, but I've helped my mom create a candle business, so I'll put the link in the description below, and probably add the, QR code, so you can just scan the screen and be able to see our website on your phone. So, conveniency. This scent particularly is lemon and lavender, which honestly it smells fucking amazing. Not saying that because you know, my mom makes them, but like it literally, like it's not delicate, but like a delicacy, like a delicate scent, or I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. But it's called Sacred Flame. Up there, right there, yes sir. The next thing is my clothing brand. As of 1/21/2021, I will still be trying to overhaul my site and create new products, but still, my clothing brand is Zemi. I will put that in the somewhere. Okay, here we go. Right here. I'm gonna put that there, and as well as put the QR code. Oh shit. All right, so I have this product. It's called Mud Water. It's a coffee alternative. For those who are trying to get off that jitteriness of coffee, for me, I bite my nails like horribly because I'll be on coffee and it be giving me anxiety. But I'll put the link of this in below, just because I feel like it'll help benefit you guys. Today's actually the third day that I've been using this, and I haven't drank coffee at all. Maybe it's because, you know, I'm not getting all that amount of caffeine compared to what this, like 6 grams that I use from this container. If you really want to see what it is, it looked like dirt, but it ain't dirt. All right, but I've definitely been feeling the benefits, especially today. Everything's been seemingly and feeling great. Appreciate you for coming to the end of the video, but if you would like to support me, definitely either buy a candle, buy one of my clothing items, or hit the referral link below. Y'all have a good day. Appreciate you for even just watching the video. It definitely means a lot to me, because it's a lot going into making a video that you don't see behind the scenes, and definitely time put in. But thank you guys. Appreciate you. Love you. Respect you. Peace.